welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Aya Renee. I am doing a FashionNova Jeans haul. I've got a good amount to show you, and I'm gonna rate them, go through them, try them on, and let me know what you think. The last pair is not jeans, they're actually pants. I've never put these type of pants on before in my life, so I'm very curious to see how it's gonna look. So let me know in the comments. They seem very comfortable. They're very stretchy pants, so stay tuned for that. I bought all of these in size 7. Let's dive in the video and try these jeans on. Let me know what you think. Let's dive in. These are the first jeans. These are called Hip Hugger Low-Rise Bootcut Jeans in light blue wash, size 7. And I like these. These are definitely a low-rise, so once again, when you kind of bend over, if you have some meat back there, you might have a crack pop out once or twice in the day, you know. But I think these are really cute. I love how they fit. They actually are super nice, very comfortable, very stretchy, and they have some length on it. As you can see, it goes past my foot underneath. It can tuck underneath my foot, so the length is really, really nice. Here's a close-up. I like these a lot. Super comfortable. I love the style of it. Just super clean, plain light wash jeans. But I really, really like these. I think they're super comfortable. So I'm gonna give it a 5-star. I love them. Very comfy and perfect fit. These are the next pair. These are called Jessie mid-rise bootcut jeans in dark wash, size 7. Here they are. They're very, very stretchy for one. Super comfortable fit. Definitely boot cut, and the length is really long, so that's really cool. And they fit nice. They are definitely mid-rise, almost to my belly button, honestly. So they're a great height. And here's the back. Very comforting. This is like the soft jean material, so I definitely love that. And I like that it has the kind of the brown stitching. Here's a close-up of these jeans. These jeans are really comfortable, so they're more of like when you want to chill and wear jeans. I also like that it has brown stitching. It's perfect for when you wear gold jewelry. So these are super comfortable. They're very loose on the leg, which is nice. Just a very relaxed, chill type pair of jeans. So I definitely recommend these. I'm giving these a 5-star. I love the length right here. I love the length of the leg. I love the comfort of them, the texture, the feel, same thing. I love the feel of them. They are just really nice. I'm glad I bought them. Moving on to the next pair. Next pair is these. These guys are called the Boost Up Booty Lifting Compression Stretch Flare Jeans in dark wash, size 7. These jeans run small, I do gotta say. So there's like no stretch really to them, just a heads up. Not really any stretch to the legs. Maybe that's why they're called compression. But I wasn't sure, and they looked cute, so I bought them. But they do fit very tight on the legs, but they flare out the bottom. They're actually really cute. I do love how they fit. I mean, they are very tight. They just are not ones that you want to relax in. It's the kinds that you want to look cute in, but really squishy on my butt. Here's the back. It's pretty tight on the back and everywhere else, but I think they're pretty cute. Cute style. I would just size up. I don't want to buy a bigger size, but I'll just have to do with this one. I'm going to tone my body anyways and get in shape. I'm not going to size up. Nope, not going to do it. I'm just going to work out and fit in TV size 7. So the other 7s are actually going to be a little bit looser on me though. Here these are, closer up. I love how they have the blue stitching with the blue. The 2 buttons are nice. They're super cute. I love how they look. I'm going to give this a 4-star because it doesn't really match with the other size 7s. This is one of the tighter sizes. This feels more like a 5. They're cute. Very low. I think it's for smaller back sides probably, but they're cute. I love the style. Moving on. Here's the next pair. I hope you can see them because yeah, I'm wearing black tank with the black pants, but these are called the Let's Groove Bootcut jeans in black, size 7, and they fit amazingly. They kind of smell weird. I have worn these once and washed them already, but that black dye smell, if you know what I'm talking about, is very strong on these. But they are really cute. They fit great. If you can tell, didn't wash too bad. I washed them once. And the length is nice. It's not overly long. So if you are taller than me, it might start to, you know, be a little on the shorter side depending what you're wearing them with, like heel wise or whatever. So there's that, but I like them. Pretty stretchy, pretty decent stretch, just a little bit. And overall a great pair of black jeans. No rips, no nothing if you like them nice and clean.
Of course, I've got another close-up for you of these pair. These actually reminded me of the Dickie brand jeans, which you could dress up or down, and they still are super comfortable.
I like them. I approve of these jeans. I'm giving these a 5-star. Nothing wrong about them. Well, unless you want to count the smell, because they do kind of smell a little weird. So maybe a 4.5. I like them though. Now let's move on to the next pair. Here's the next pair of jeans. I forgot what the name is. I don't have it on my phone, but I'll put it down below so you can see. But I love these. I actually had these in the dark blue, the dark denim, but I loved them so much that I had to buy another pair of dark denim and then a light pair. So these are the lighter version, I think medium wash. And I love these. They're high-waisted.
Of course, I got a close-up for you. Here's the buttons, super cute. I do have to say that the pockets in the front are fake, but the back pockets are real.
I think they're just really good jeans. They are very soft jean materials, super comfortable, like the most comfortable pair of pants I've had, unless like I ate a big meal, then this is a little tight on me. But I love how it has the 2 little buttons. I love them, super cute, very comfortable. I'm giving these 5 stars, obviously, since I already bought like 3 pairs. Now I'm going to show you guys my little silky smooth pants that I bought. Let me know what you think. First time wearing those? First time trying them on, so I guess we'll find out. These are called Boho Babe Flare Pant in black and white. I bought a size medium, usually a size medium in pants. And I do gotta say, these are pretty soft, pretty nice. Happy I bought them. I will wear them. I don't know about out. Do I wear them out? Let me know. What do you think? Never worn these in my life, so. Actually, okay, I take that back. I have worn pants like these back in like the Spice Girl days. You know the Spice Girls? I was like the Scary Spice of them. I had little, like my hair up in buns and stuff like that. But back then I wore like leopard pants like that. I have not worn them since that was like middle school, I think. So maybe a smidge in high school for fun, but it's been a long time. But what do you think? Do you like them? Does it look good? Can we get more pants like these?
Here's a close-up. Aren't these adorable? I love the pattern. Super cute. Gives me disco vibes. I kind of want more, even though I might just wear them around the house.
I like these. I'm giving these a 5-star. Do I wear them out? These are pretty flary, super soft, very comfortable. I will definitely wear them around the house. That is it for my FashionNova pants haul that I got for you. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know, do I rock these pants in public or do I just wear them at home? I don't know. But thanks for watching. Take care. Stay sweet.